Okay, so today we'll be covering the topic beta and gamma function. In last class, we have started this. Gamma function, the definite integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power n minus 1 into dx, which is a function of n, is called gamma function, right? So when you'll be solving it and we are trying to putting the limit of x, then it would be a function of n only. So this integral is equal to gamma n. So this is gamma n is equal to 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power n minus 1 into dx. So you need to remember this definition, right? Then we have discussed this reduction formula, gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n. This is the reduction formula for gamma function. This is the proof, you can read it out. When n is positive integer, when n is positive integer, gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial, right? Gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. We have discussed in the previous class, gamma 5 is equal to 4 factorial, gamma 6 is equal to 5 factorial, and so on, right? Where gamma 1 is equal to 1. For gamma 1, we have substituted here n is equal to 1 in this definition. So integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x power 1 minus 1, 0, that would become 1. So integral 0 to infinity e power minus x into dx. So when you will be solving it, answer would be 1, as e raised to power minus infinity is 0 and e raised to power 0 is 1, right? So gamma 1 is equal to n factorial if n is positive integer. If n is positive fraction, then you will be using this reduction formula, gamma n plus 1 is equal to n into gamma n. And you need to remember one value, that is gamma half, that is equal to under root pi. Right? Gamma half is equal to under root pi. Now, if I need the value of gamma 11 by 4, so that would be equal to, this is n plus 1. So here you are using only n. So I'm writing here 11 by 4 minus of 1, that is 7 by 4. Right? So we'll be writing 7 by 4 gamma 7 by 4. Then again apply the reduction formula for this. It would be 7 by 4 minus 1, 5 by 4. So 7 by 4, this as it is, into reduction formula for gamma 7 by 4, that can be written as 5 by 4 gamma 5 by 4. That is equal to 7 by 4 as it is, 5 by 4 as it is, and then apply the reduction formula for this. Gamma 5 by 4 means 5 by 4 minus 1 is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 gamma 3 by 4. Right? And you need to reduce it up to minimum positive fraction. Right? Value of gamma half, this is the proof. If you want to go through the proof, then you can read it out. You need to remember this. Gamma half is equal to under root pi. Now, next is beta function. Okay, before starting to beta function, just give me the answer for this. Evaluate the integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power 3 by 2 dx. Yes, beta, tell me. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power 3 by 2 into dx. How we will evaluate it? Okay. Before that, I'm asking you one more integral. Integration 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power 3 dx. That is equal to what? Write this integral in gamma function. Yes, we have discussed it beta in previous class. Write this integral in terms of gamma function. So what it would be?
And 2 gamma 2.
Uh, if I'm writing in terms of only gamma function beta, tell me what will be that. You have applied the reduction formula, na? By definition, 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x into x raised to power n minus 1 into dx. Right? This is the definition of gamma function. I'm writing this is equal to gamma n. Right? Now this integral is given to you. Now tell me what can I write here? Gamma of what?
Ma'am, 4.
Gamma of 4, right? You need to compare this power with n minus 1. So n minus 1 is equal to 3 and n is equal to 4. So it is gamma 4. Now gamma 4 is equal to what? N is positive integer. So what will be the value of gamma 4?
Ma'am, 5.
5. How beta? How it is 5?
Ma'am,
Yes beta please.
question repeat करना.
What is the value of this picture? Gamma 4.
Okay, ma'am.
Three factorial.
What factorial bache?
3 factorial.
3 factorial. Right. It is 3 factorial. Right? हमने अभी अभी पढ़ा, अभी अभी आपको एक रिलेशन बताया मैंने. If n is positive integer, gamma n plus 1 is equal to n factorial. And I was asking for gamma 4. So gamma 4 would be equal to 3 factorial. Right? So value, if I'm asking value of this integral, so you can give me the answer within 1 minute. That is equal to gamma 4 and gamma 4 is equal to 3 factorial. So answer would be 6. Right? In the similar way, integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power 3 by 2 dx. This is equal to what? Gamma of what?
Ma'am, half.
Why half, bache? In this case, n minus 1 would be equal to 3 by 2. So n would be what? 3 by 2 plus 1. So that is equal to what? 5 by 2. Right? You need
Okay,
to
ma'am.
add 1 in this power. Okay? We will be comparing this power with n minus 1 using this definition. So n minus 1 is equal to 3 by 2. N is equal to 5 by 2. So you will be writing here gamma 5 by 2. Right? Now I need the value of gamma 5 by 2. So you'll be using the reduction formula 5 by 2 minus 1. So that would be 3 by 2 into gamma 3 by 2. Right? And now gamma 3 by 2 can be written as that is equal to 3 by 2. Now apply the reduction formula again on gamma 3 by 2. That would be 1 by 2 into gamma 1 by 2. And what is the value of gamma 1 by 2? That is under root pi into 3 upon 4. Right? So this is the value of this integral. So evaluate integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x raised to power 3 by 2 dx. That would be equal to gamma 5 by 2. And then you can get the value of gamma 5 by 2 using the reduction formula. So ultimately, value of this integral is 3 under root pi by 4. Right? So gamma function is a special type of integral, right? Which make evaluation easy. Now come to the next beta function.
एक्सक्यूज मी मैम।
Yes, beta.
मैम ये मैम 3/2 मल्टीप्लाई हाफ में गामा 1/2 मैम कैसे मैम रिपीट करना?
Okay, बच्चे wait. What is the reduction formula, beta, for gamma function? I have told you gamma n plus 1 is equal to n gamma n, right? Or
यस मैम।
I can say that gamma n is equal to n minus 1 gamma n minus 1. Okay? You can read it in either way, either this or this. You need to find out gamma 5/2. So using this formula 5/2, 5/2 minus 1 is equal to 3/2, gamma 3/2, right?
यस मैम।
और अदर वे इससे करना है तो यू विल राइट गामा 5/2 को ब्रेक कर देंगे 3/2 प्लस 1. सो अल्टीमेटली n की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी 3/2. सो यू विल बी राइटिंग 3/2 गामा 3/2. Right? And then same process you will be following for gamma 3/2. So 3/2 minus 1, 1/2. So 1/2 gamma 1/2, 1/2 gamma 1/2. And gamma 1/2 is what? That is under root pi. You need to remember this value. Gamma half is equal to under root pi. Gamma 1 is 1. Right?
मैम मतलब मैम फाइनल आंसर मैम पाई में लेके आना है?
हाँ, probably पाई में आना नहीं जरूरी नहीं है कि पाई में आएगा. Sometime we'll be getting gamma 1/4, right? So for those we need to consult the table. But अभी आपके level पर अगर gamma half आता है, you need to put the value under root pi. If it is gamma 1/4, gamma something like that, then leave it as
ओके
it
मैम।
is. ठीक है? Leave that in terms of gamma only.
ओके
Right?
मैम।
Now come to the beta function. The definite integral, integral 0 to 1, x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x power n minus 1 into dx, which is a function of m and n, is known as beta function, where m and n both greater than 0. Right? Wherever you are observing such type of integral 0 to 1 x power m minus 1 into 1 minus x power n minus 1 into dx, that integral can be written as beta function. For example, if I'm writing 0 to 1 x cube into 1 minus x power 4 dx, write this integral in terms of beta function. So what it would be? Beta. Now compare this m minus 1 with 3. So m minus 1 is equal to 3. And from here m is equal to 4. So you'll be writing here beta 4, comma, n minus 1 is equal to 4. That would be equal to 5. So value of this integral in terms of beta, that is beta 4, comma 5. Right? Further, we will be doing relation between beta and gamma function. So my question would be like evaluate this integral. So this is the definition of beta. Then we will be converting beta into gamma and then we can write the value. We'll discuss it later on. But right now, if I'm giving to you this integral, so you can convert this integral into beta function by comparing the power of x with m minus 1 and power of 1 minus x with n minus 1. Right? Properties of beta and gamma function. Beta n comma n is equal to beta n comma n. This property is known as symmetric property. Beta function is always symmetric function. Next, beta m comma n is equal to integral 0 to infinity x power m minus 1 divided by 1 plus x power m plus 1 into dx, or that is equal to integral 0 to infinity x power n minus 1 1 plus x power m plus n into dx. This is the relation beta You need to learn that in beta function, limits of integration are 0 to 1, and in gamma function, limits are 0 to infinity. But by using substitution, you can convert beta as well in this integral with the limit 0 to infinity, right? So this integral or this integral, they can be written as beta function. Property number 3, beta m comma n is equal to twice of 0 to pi by 2 sine 2n minus 1 theta into cos 2n minus 1 theta into d theta, right? And you can prove this property by using or by putting x is equal to sine square theta in this formula. Put x is equal to sine square theta, then you will be getting this relation. So you need to remember this, right? And again, twice 0 to pi by 2 sine p theta cos q theta d theta. 0 to pi by 2 sine p theta cos q theta d theta is equal to beta of p plus 1 by 2 q plus 1 by 2. How you will use this property? If I'm asking you integral 0 to pi by 2 sine square theta into cos square theta d theta. Evaluate this integral. So what you will doing? This 2, you'll be writing here 1 by 2, right? And beta. Beta p plus 1. What is p? That is 2. 2 plus 1 divided by 2. And what is q? Q is again 2. So 2 plus 1 divided by 2. Right? This was the integral. You will convert this integral into beta function, and then we will convert beta into gamma, and then we can evaluate this integral, right? And similarly, you can derive this relation by putting here q is equal to 0. If you're putting q is equal to 0 here, integral would be only 0 to pi by 2 sine p theta d theta. So here again, you'll be putting q is equal to 0. So you will be having this relation. Similarly, in case of cos, you will be having this relation, right? And if p and q both are 0, it would be only 0 to pi by 2 d theta, and that answer would be pi. So beta 1 by 2 comma 1 by 2, that would be equal to pi. Now, this is the relation between beta and gamma function. Beta m comma n is equal to gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. You need to remember this relation. It's important relation. Beta n comma n is equal to gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Now, first question, evaluate 0 to infinity x power 4 e power minus x dx. Now tell me what will be the answer, beta. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus x power 4 into dx. What will be the answer of this integral? Yes, I'm waiting.
Ma'am, 3 factorial.
How 3 factorial, beta?
मैम 4 factorial
4 factorial बच्चे हरिंदर, आपने इस पावर में 1 ऐड करना है, तो it would be gamma 5 and gamma 5 is equal to 4 factorial. ये बहुत छोटी सी मिस्टेक है बेटा जो जनरली होती है, ठीक है? You will be comparing n minus 1 is equal to 4. So n is equal to 5. So gamma 5 and that is equal to 4 factorial, right? So answer
Okay, ma'am.
would be 4 factorial. Now come to this 0 to infinity x square e raised to power minus 2x square dx, right? We need to evaluate this. So what will we do? First, we will be trying to convert this integral into gamma function. And what is the definition of gamma function? 0 to infinity, 0 to infinity, e raised to power minus x into x power n minus 1 into dx. So in this integral, what is problem creating factor? That is 2x square. So I am substituting it, 2x square is equal to t, right? For making in this form, I want here variable in linear form with coefficient minus 1. So minus 1 is there. So 2x square is creating problem. So I'm putting it as a t. So if you are converting this into t, then whole integral would be in terms of t. So what will be the value of dx? You will be differentiating it. 4x dx is equal to dt. And x is equal to under root t by 2 under root 2. Right? Under root t by 2. So now if x is equal to 0, t would be 0. If x is equal to infinity, t would be infinity. So limit would be same, 0 to infinity. X square would be t by 2. So you are writing here 0 to infinity x square t by 2 e raised to power minus t into dt. Sorry, into dx, and dx is dt upon 4 under root t under root 2. Right? And then you will be simplifying it. It would be 0 to infinity t 1 by 4 root 2, and this would be t ki power half e raised to power minus t dt. Now tell me the value of this integral. Is it the gamma function? E raised to power minus t power half dt. E raised to power minus x power something. So now tell me what will be the value of this integral in terms of gamma. Integral 0 to infinity e raised to power minus t power half into dt. Yes, what is it?
And gamma 3 by 2.
Gamma
And
3.
answer is
Gamma
5
3.
by 2.
हाँ जी बेटा.
And answer is 5 by 2.
आंसर इज पाई बाय 2. ओके बच्चे चेक कर लेते हैं. सो 1 बाय 4 अंडर रूट 2 gamma 3 by 2. So gamma 3 by 2 can be written as 1 by 2 gamma 1 by 2. Right? And answer would be 8 under root 2 root pi. आपका आंसर क्या आया था बच्चे?
मैम
क्या
5 by 2 मैम मैंने मल्टीप्लाई नहीं किया था मैम इसको.
हाँ, इसको भूल गए होगे ना.
यस मैम.
फिर भी अंडर रूट पाई आएगा बच्चे, नॉट पाई बाय 2. गामा हाफ इज अंडर रूट पाई.
यस मैम.
ठीक है. सो आंसर लेट अस चेक. आंसर इज 8 root 2. ठीक है, 8 root 2 into under root pi. Right, so you'll be cutting it, so you'll be getting 8 under root 2 under root pi. Right, same we are getting root pi upon 8 under root 2. Is it clear beta? So whenever you are observing such type of integral, so first you'll be checking the limit is 0 to infinity and exponential function is there, so it means you can apply the definition of gamma. Then for applying the definition of gamma, you'll be checking what factor is problem creating. So whatever problem creating, put it as some variable and then solve it. Similarly, now come to next example. Evaluate integral 0 to infinity x raised to power 6 e raised to power minus 3x dx. So again limit is 0 to infinity, exponential function is there. So problem creation is what? Minus of 3x. It would be only minus of some variable. So you're putting 3x is equal to t, x is t by 3, dx is dt by 3. So if x is equal to 0, then 2 would be 0. If x is infinity, t would be infinity. There is no change in the limits. So convert this integral in terms of t. After simplification, you will be at this step. So now, what is the value of this integral? 0 to infinity t power 6 into e raised to power minus t dt. That is equal to what? Gamma 7. 6 plus 1 gamma 7, and that is equal to 6 factorial. So answer would be 6 factorial upon 3 power 7. 1 upon 3 power 7 gamma 7, 1 upon 3 power 7 into 6 factorial. Right? Now, next, evaluate this. Now you will be telling me the answer. Evaluate this. What function you can apply, beta or gamma?
Ma'am, beta.
Beta, right? Because limits are 0 to 1. So that is equal to beta 4 plus 1, 5, comma 3 plus 1, 4. So that is equal to beta 5 comma 4. And I have told you relation between beta and gamma function. So for evaluation of this integral, we need to apply the relation. We will convert the beta function into gamma. Relation was gamma m into gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. So gamma 5 is what? 4 factorial. This is gamma 4. Gamma m, gamma n divided by gamma m plus n. Gamma 5 is 4 factorial, gamma 4 is 3 factorial, gamma 9 is 8 factorial. So answer would be this. 4 factorial into 3 factorial divided by 8 factorial. You will simplify it and that will be the value of this integral. Right? Similarly, evaluate this integral. Integration 0 to 2 x square under root 2 minus x into dx. So you will be using a substitution. X is equal to 2t and dx is equal to 2 dt. So when you are putting here x is equal to 0, the value of limit would be, if x is equal to 0, this implies t is equal to 0. 0 by 2 is 0. If x is equal to 2, then this implies t is equal to 2 by 2, that is 1. So limit would be 0 to 1, x square 4t square under root 2 minus 2t into dx 2 dt. Right? So from here you'll be simplifying 4 square 4 into 2 8 by under root 2 t square 1 minus t power minus half dt. So now I can write it in terms of beta function. So that is 8 by under root 2 beta 2 plus 1 3 minus half plus 1 half. If you know the beta, then we can convert this beta function into gamma function. So that is equal to 8 by root 2 gamma 3 gamma half divided by gamma 7 by 2. Right? And then you will apply reduction formula over here. Gamma 7 by 2 can be written as 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma half, that is root pi. Right? 8 by under root 2, gamma 3 2 factorial, gamma half root pi, gamma 7 by 2 5 by 2 into 3 by 2 into 1 by 2 into gamma half, that is root pi. And you will simplify it. Right? And these are homework for you. You will be trying for these questions. If you're having any doubt, then we'll be discussing it tomorrow. Now my question is, Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine cube theta d theta. What will be the value of this integral, beta? Integral 0 to pi by 2 sine cube theta d theta. What will be the value of this integral? Can we apply the reduction formula over here? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes ना? तो आपका आंसर यहाँ से क्या आना चाहिए था? This minus 1, 2 divided by 3 into 1. And this power is odd. So no pi by 2. Right? अभी अभी मैंने आपको ये बताया एक फॉर्मूला यहाँ से 0 to pi by 2 properties of beta in terms of this 0 to pi by 2 sine p theta d theta, right? So you can ask me कि ma'am when we have the reduction formula, so there is no use to for the beta function. We can evaluate this integral using beta function using reduction formula, right? But reduction formula is applicable only when this is your positive integer, right? And if I'm asking you 0 to pi by 2 sine power 3 by 2 theta d theta. Limit is 0 to pi by 2, but this is not integer. So in that case, we cannot apply the reduction formula. We will be using here beta function. We will be converting this integral into beta and then beta into gamma. So you will practice these questions in last this. Evaluate this and this. Then you can get to know ki what is the benefit of beta function. This you can do by beta function as well as using reduction formula because this is integer and limit is 0 to pi by 2. But if question is like this, then you need to use beta function, right? So it makes your integral evaluation easy, right? So that's all for today, beta. Any doubt? No doubt. Okay.